Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and removing the SIM tray to avoid damage. Next, use a P2 pentalobe and appropriate tri-point bits to remove the bottom screws. Keep each screw labeled so reassembly is exact. Once the screen is loosened, gently heat the edges to soften adhesive and use plastic picks to lift without bending. Make sure to disconnect the battery connector first to prevent shorting. This early disconnect protects the logic board while you continue. Once the old battery is out, remove all adhesive strips carefully. Do not pry under the cell or you risk puncture. You want an OEM or reputable replacement. Install it flat, press new adhesive into place, and reattach connectors in reverse order but leave the screen loose for a test boot. After reassembly, calibrate. Charge to 100%, use the phone normally and drain to shutdown. Then charge uninterrupted back to 100% to help battery meter accuracy. You finish by powering up and verifying capacity in settings under battery health. The percentage should reflect the new cell after a few cycles. Make sure the phone charges normally and that it does not run unusually hot. Temperature anomalies signal poor connection or a defective pack. If the battery percentage fluctuates or the phone won't charge, make sure connectors are seated and no metal debris remains. If problems persist, stop and consult a professional repair service to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.